Namaskaram everyone. Today is day 2 in Kollam, Kerala, and in spite of being extremely tired due to my journey and bad cold, I had cancelled my trip to Pathanamthitta, which hopefully I will visit sometime soon. So I made some inquiries with the hotel and thought of visiting this magnificent state-of-the-art statue of mythological bird Jatayu, and with their help, I arranged a cab which took around 1,500 rupees. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end while I explore this magnificent journey. I started around 10 o'clock in the morning after finishing my breakfast, and along the route, I could see these beautiful small villages and beautiful bamboo plantations, which I wanted to see. However, I had to reach the Jatayu structure before 12 because it was getting really hot and humid as well. So here we reached the destination, Jatayu Earth Center. How can one reach the spot? The nearest railway station and the bus station is Kollam, which is around 36 kilometers from the main location. However, I chose to book a full day cab and then get to the nature park. The total fare to the sculpture is rupees 500, that is 250 for the entry and 250 for the air trolley, which will take you up. Or you can climb the mountain with a walk of 1 kilometer. But I avoided that because I was kind of ill and the weather was getting hot. Please note that Jatayu is a totally no plastic zone, so you are not allowed to carry any plastic except your phone and money purse. And there are counters to keep your baggage. The view from the air trolley is truly magnificent, and although it's kind of costly, one must travel in it to experience it. As you climb up, you get the first look at this beautiful structure, and as you enter, you are welcomed by soft flute music which truly gels with the nature. Jatayu Earth Center, also known as Jatayu Nature Park or Jatayu Rock, is a park and a tourism center at Chadayamangalam in Kollam district of Kerala. It stands at an altitude of 350 meter above the main sea level. Jatayu Nature Park holds the distinction of having the world's largest bird structure, which is Jatayu. The sculpture measures 200 feet long, 150 feet wide, 70 feet in height, and occupies 15 square feet of the floor area. Jatayu Earth Center, or rather the sculpture, is dedicated to women's safety and honor. The sculpture is designed by Shri Rajiv Anchal, who is an eminent name in the Malayalam film industry. The timing to visit are 10:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday, and 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. Viewers, please take your time and go around to explore as much as you can, because this is one of the beautiful places in India you can visit. So this was a short video on my experience at Jatayu Earth Center and me traveling by cable car, which I thoroughly enjoyed. Although I was not able to spend more time here due to my ill health and scorching heat, I hope to revisit this place sometime soon and share my experience with you all. Please do comment on my video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, enjoy and keep watching Bombay Traveler. Thank you.